in last article, you had studied about the valency of the any group element or any periodic element. This is nothing but the periodic trains. The second periodic train is the atomic size. The atomic size of an atom of any elements depends upon the distance between the center of the nucleus and their outermost orbit. For example, if you consider the structure of the any atom of the element, suppose this is the nucleus of the any atom and this is the outermost cell. The distance between the nucleus and the outermost cell is nothing but the atomic radius, and the atomic size of the any elements depends upon their atomic radius. More the atomic radius, more the atomic size. That means atomic size depends upon the atomic radius, and atomic radius is nothing but the distance between the nucleus and the outermost orbit of an atom of an element. Is nothing but the atomic radius. We discuss about the atomic radius of the any group element or any period elements, because in this definition, when the properties of the elements in a group or in a period in the modern periodic table are compared, ज्यावेळेस मॉडर्न पिरियडिक टेबल मधल्या कोणत्याही एखाद्या ग्रुप मधल्या किंवा पिरियड मधल्या एलिमेंटची जर आपण कंपॅरिझन केली तर काय सर्टेन रेग्युलरिटी इज ऑब्झर्व्ड इन देअर व्हॅरिएशन्स. तर नियमितपणे हळुवारपणे कोणत्याही एखाद्या ग्रुपमध्ये किंवा पिरियडमध्ये त्यांच्या जे काही प्रॉपर्टी चेंज होतात ते कोणत्या तरी नियमाने चेंज होतात, त्यालाच म्हणायचं सर्टेन रेग्युलरिटी इज ऑब्झर्व्ड in their variation and is called the periodic trends. Atomic size. When we consider the atomic size of the third period element, which are the third period elements? Sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and argon. When we take its electronic configuration, the atomic number goes atomic number of these period elements goes on increased by 1. Therefore, the number of valence electron present in their outermost orbit is also be 1. That means valence electron of the sodium is 1, magnesium is 2, aluminium is 3, silicon is 4. That means slowly 1 by 1, the number of valence electrons goes on increasing. Not there is more difference between the two consecutive atom of the element. To determine the atomic size, the number of electrons present in their outermost orbit is increased by 1. Atomic size, when we consider the any period, atomic size of that elements depends upon the valence electron. जसं की atomic number goes on increase होतं by 1, तसं valence electron also goes on increased by 1. That means the positive charge on the nucleus, strength of the positive charge on the nucleus goes on increasing from left to right. That means more the positive strength of the positive charge on the nucleus is more, it will be valence electron more attracted towards the nucleus. जितके outermost orbit, that means if we consider the third period elements, third period element contains the same number of cells. प्रत्येक या थर्ड पिरियड मध्ये असणाऱ्या प्रत्येक एलिमेंट मध्ये सेलची संख्या कॉन्स्टंट आहे. प्रत्येकामध्ये 3 सेल आहेत, म्हणून यांच्या कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक जे काय डिपेंड असतील ते फक्त व्हॅलन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन, कारण व्हॅलन्स इलेक्ट्रॉनची संख्या ही प्रत्येकामध्ये वेगवेगळी, पण प्रत्येकाचा नंबर ऑफ सेल मात्र कॉन्स्टंट आहे. म्हणून प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ दिस ग्रुप, दिस पिरियड एलिमेंट्स डिपेंड्स अपॉन द नंबर ऑफ व्हॅलन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन. Number of valence electron goes on increasing from left to right. At the same time, atomic number is also goes on increasing from left to right by 1. Due to this reason, strength of the positive charge, that means sodium contains the 11 proton, that means 11 positive charge on the nucleus. Then it contains 12 positive charge, then 13 positive charge, then 14 positive charge on the nucleus. That means strength of the positive charge goes on increasing from left to right. That means strength of the positive charge on the nucleus goes on increasing from left to right. Due to this reason, the electrons more pull towards the nucleus. Due to this reason, जितके पॉझिटिव्ह चार्जची स्ट्रेंथ, न्यूक्लियसच्या पॉझिटिव्ह चार्जची स्ट्रेंथ वाढेल तसतसा तो आउटरमोस्ट ऑर्बिट मधील इलेक्ट्रॉनला वेगाने स्वतःकडे खेचून घेण्याचा प्रयत्न करेल. The strength of the positive charge on the nucleus of the chlorine is more as compared to the sodium. Or when we comparison between the sodium and magnesium, strength of the positive charge on the nucleus of the magnesium is more as compared to the sodium. Due to this reason, the more the electrons from their outermost orbit more pull towards the nucleus of the magnesium as compared to the sodium. When we comparison between the magnesium and aluminum, the strength of the positive charge on the nucleus is more as compared to the magnesium. Due to this reason, the valence electrons more pull towards the aluminum nucleus as compared to the magnesium. The strength of the positive charge on the nucleus of the silicon is more as compared to the aluminum. Due to this reason, the valence electrons more pull toward the silicon nucleus as compared to the aluminum. Due to this reason, when more pull towards the nucleus, that means distance between the outermost shell and the nucleus also goes on increasing when we go from left to right. Due to this reason, atomic size of the any period elements goes on decreasing from left to right, because the strength of the positive charge on the nucleus goes on increasing from left to right due to atomic number of the elements goes on increasing from left to right. This is according to the period. Then we discuss about according to the group wide. When we consider the first group element, suppose this is the lithium, sodium, then potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. When we consider the atomic size of the lithium, sodium, then potassium, then rubidium, atomic size of the any group elements goes on increasing from top to bottom. What is the reason? When we consider the any group elements, same number of the electrons present in their outermost orbit, but the number of shells goes on increasing from top to bottom. कोणत्याही ग्रुपमध्ये जर विचार केला तर त्याच्या आउटरमोस्ट ऑर्बिटमध्ये असणारी इलेक्ट्रॉनची संख्या सेम आहे, म्हणून कोणत्याही ग्रुपचे जे काही प्रॉपर्टी चेंज होतील त्या कोणावर डिपेंड आहेत? सेलवर, बिकॉज number of cells goes on increasing from top to bottom. Lithium contains 2 cells, sodium contains 3, then potassium contains 3, rubidium 4, then cesium 5 and francium 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Francium contains the 7 cells. Means number of cells goes on increasing, but number of valence electrons are same. Due to the increasing number of cells, the property of the any group elements goes on increasing. Number of cells goes on increasing. Due to this reason, the distance between the nucleus and the outermost orbit also goes on increasing. जसजशा सेल जास्त वाढत जातील तसतसा distance between the nucleus and outermost cell goes on increasing. Due to this reason, atomic size of the any group elements goes on increasing from top to bottom, because number of cell goes on increasing. That means atomic size of the any period elements depends upon the number of valence electron, and atomic size of the any group elements depends upon the number of cells. More the number of cells, atomic size goes on increasing. More the number of electrons present in their outermost orbit, then the atomic size goes on decreasing. That means जेव्हा तुम्ही पिरियड कन्सिडर कराल त्यावेळी त्यांच्या फक्त आउटरमोस्ट ऑर्बिटमध्ये चेंज होणाऱ्या इलेक्ट्रॉनच्या संख्येवर त्याची साईज ठरली जाते, कारण सेल सारखे आहे. पण ज्यावेळेस ग्रुपचा विचार कराल त्यावेळेस प्रत्येक ग्रुपच्या आउटरमोस्ट ऑर्बिटमध्ये व्हॅलन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन सेम आहेत, परंतु सेल मात्र काय होतात? वाढत जातात. म्हणून डिस्टन्स बिटवीन द न्यूक्लियस अँड द आउटरमोस्ट ऑर्बिट गोज ऑन इन्क्रीजिंग. ड्यू टू दिस रिजन atomic size of the any group elements goes on increasing from top to bottom. Today's topic.